Hello everyone, this is Suchi and in front of you I am going to give a presentation on the topic of importance of education. So before I start my presentation, firstly I would like to say thanks to Pradeep sir who gave me this wonderful opportunity to speak on this topic. So before start my topic, firstly I would like to tell you one thing, that is the education is very important part of everyone's life, because whatever we want to achieve in our life we can achieve with the help of education. So before to know about what is the importance of education, firstly I would like to tell you what is the education. Education means to learn about life. Education means to get something different in your life and you can use that thing in your practical way. Education doesn't mean just to get the bookish knowledge, just to get higher education degree, or just to get the good marks in your examination, because education has the wider concept. So the question arises here that what is the importance of education in our life. So the first is that is education helps to modify our behavior. Education is only a thing with the help of a person can change his behavior, because behavior is very good. Behavior is very important part of everyone's life. If we have good moral values, if we have good behavior, because we are known by our behavior, not our bookish knowledge. So if we talk about the education, so an educated person should be have the good behavior, should have good moral values are there. That person is called the educated person in a proper way. So that's why is education is important. Second thing I want to discuss here, that is education helps to change our attitude to see the things in our life, because education is only a thing which will give you a positive side to see each and everything in a very positive way. Who will give this thing? Education will give you this thing, because you have this mindset in your mind that no, if I have problems in my life, so I will have to face them, because as we all know that the problems are the part of life, so we will have to face them. We cannot move from our problems, we cannot run from our problems, because they are the part of life. Why are the people commit suicide even they are higher educated person? Why they are doing this thing? Because they are not educated in a right way. If they are educated in a right way, they will never do all these things in their life, right? So that education will give you a positive thing to see each and everything in a positive manner. Who will give this thing? Education will give you this thing. And the third point is here, education helps to find out that what is right and what is wrong for me, because we do so many activities in our life, but if we are educated in a right way, then I know this thing, no, I should do this thing and I should not do this thing, because this is not right. I cannot indulge myself in any type of the criminal activity, because I am an educated person in a right way. So an educated person will never indulge in any type of the criminal activity if he or she is educated in a right way. Because education doesn't mean to get only the bookish knowledge, to increase our knowledge. No, education means if you are educated, if you get education in a right way, it means that you are able to find out then what is right and what is wrong for me. And education helps to change the society and their mindset of the people. Education is only a thing, because education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. If I am educated, then I can change my society. I have this right and I have this capability, because I have learned so many things in my education, so I can apply all these things in a practical way. But if you are not educated, it means that your mind is not developed, your mind is not working in a proper way. So if you are educated, then only you can change the society and to change the mindset of the people. That's why education is important, needed for equality. If we really want the equality in the whole nation. So there should be education everywhere. Why government are forcing to the people and taking so many initiatives regarding the education system? What is the reason behind it? The reason is that the primary right of each and every child is to get education, because education will give you a mindset. Education will help you to develop your mindset to thinking skills. That's why the education is important part of everyone's life. So what is the meaning of education? Education doesn't mean the preparation of life, but the education is life itself. So hope you like my presentation. Thank you so much, all of you.